In today's video, we're diving into the complex and potentially devastating effects that tariffs, specifically those announced recently by the United States, could have on global aircraft manufacturing. I will look at how tariffs affect a plane like the Boeing 787, what they mean for the hundreds of companies in the aerospace supply chain, and how these trade barriers could end up reshaping the entire industry. Now, before we go on, I want to make something very clear here. I always try to avoid politics on my channels, but these announced US tariffs and their effects are objectively the biggest threat towards the aviation business right now. And that means that simply just ignoring this story because it's sensitive would be just cowardly and wrong. So why are tariffs such a threat then? Well, that's because aircraft manufacturing isn't just global, it's arguably the most global industrial process on Earth. If there is one industry that doesn't just depend on global trade but defines it, it is definitely aviation. And tariffs don't mix very well in that kind of complexity. Every modern commercial jetliner is a collaboration between dozens of different countries, so even if the final assembly happens in the US, the parts, materials, and systems that make that plane fly come in from all over the world. Remember the 737 MAX 9 door plug blowout that happened last year? Well, that door was, for example, made by Spirit Aerosystems in Malaysia, and then installed in Kansas before the fuselage was shipped to Renton in Washington. And of course it goes in the other direction as well. The center fuselage section for the Airbus A350 is made in North Carolina, and then shipped over to France where it is assembled. Modern airplanes are truly global machines, so trying to build one entirely within the borders of a single country, any country, is nearly impossible.